Hi guys, it's me, Lindsay. So in this video, I want to quickly share with you how I was able to earn a quick $200 by one Facebook status post. Now, the reason I want to do this is because, time and time again, inside of my group, on my Facebook, or people who leave comments on my post, or YouTube, and all that type of stuff, all that type of jazz. I typically hear how people say how they have been building, a business, trying to build a business online and things like that, and they still have been unable to make their first sale with whatever it is that they're promoting. And what I really like to do, as far as the trainings and things that I do, I like to keep things really simple, to the point, so that way you can generate results. Because once you get that first result, then you're gonna know that this online, this internet marketing stuff works, okay? And sometimes it's the simplest stuff that's gonna yield you better results than all the crazy stuff out here. So again, in this case study, I wanna share with you how I made a quick $200 by making one status post. So that means no paid marketing. I didn't have to learn about Facebook ads. I didn't have to do any of that type of stuff. All I did was just leverage Facebook, and I was able to generate some income, okay? So let me go ahead, let me show you exactly what I did in order to earn a quick 200 bucks, guys, okay? Okay, so right now we're looking in my group, Affiliate Marketing Rockstar. So if you guys want to know more about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to make money online, then you definitely want to make sure that you join this group. But inside of this group, I had made a post a few days ago, and I'm an affiliate for a young lady who teaches eBay, right? She teaches how you can actually sell products, become a reseller pretty much, and sell products on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, Mercari, and all those type of things. So again, she has an affiliate program, and she gives away pretty much 50% of the commission, pretty much, guys, right? So all I did was, inside of my group, sorry guys, I got hair in my eye. So all I did inside of my group was, I made this post right here. So this is a social proof shot from her eBay account, okay? So this is just one of the proof shots that she uses in her marketing. And I just grabbed this screenshot, and I put here, hey everyone, these are the results of one of my online friends who is teaching eBay dropshipping. If you want to know more details about this, comment eBay below and I will send you the info. That's all I did, guys, right? That's all I did. So this is inside of my Facebook group, and I made this post, and as you guys can see here, I have about 71 comments. A lot of those comments are me replying back to people, letting them know that I sent them the information. And what I did was, I sent messages out to everybody who left a comment, and gave them the information about this, and if they wanted to go ahead and get started, they can ask me additional questions, or they can go ahead and get paid. So out of this, let's say like I said, it wasn't some of these comments, is 71 comments were me replying back. So even if there's like what, like 30 comments here or whatever else of people asking information, of those people who comment and left a message, I received 2 sales, okay? So I'm going to show you really quickly right here. Here's a screenshot of me getting those sales sent to my PayPal, and I had to send, it was like $400 in sales. I had to send 200 of that to the young lady who's teaching the course, and the rest that I kept to myself. And I did that within a 4-day span, pretty much, right? So you see that I got the first sale on January 1st and the other one on the 4th. And that was a quick 200 bucks, right? I didn't do anything crazy. I don't know every in and out about eBay, but I can still promote a course of somebody who is actually teaching eBay, and I still made $200 by simply making a post. So you're watching this right now, and you're probably thinking like, well, Lindsay, I don't have a Facebook group. And that's fine, because you can still do the same thing on your actual Facebook profile and still get results. You don't have to have a Facebook group, but if you do have a Facebook group, then it's even it'll help you out even more so, because you already have a group of targeted people inside of your group where you can promote products to, okay? So another example of this is here on my Facebook profile on January 1st. I made this post here. Received another check from ClickBank. Majority of the work is done for you. Go through the 5 steps to set it up, and that's it. All the products have been picked out, and an 80-day email follow-up sequence has been created for you. Just plug it in. If you want more details, comment ClickBank Cash. So you see 214 comments, right? Since January 1st, and I got people who made comments recently. But these are all the comments of people who are asking about ClickBank Cash. So again, just like how I showed you in the previous video, the previous example, I just sent them I messaged them, giving them more information. If they wanted to go ahead and get started, they can go ahead and get started. Now this one, it comes with a, I want to say it comes with a 14-day trial for like $9, and then every month after that is $47, right? So I'll earn a commission off. I'll earn a 50% commission off the actual trial, right? The trial part. And then also if they keep it, and they keep it every single month for at least $47 per month, I earn a recurring fee every single month for the next, every month that they have that particular product. And it's an awesome product because it's something that I have been using since like November. It teaches you, it actually really, they have a lot of training back there, but it's pretty much a done for you system that's going to show you, that's going to help you to get ClickBank sales on automation pretty much, guys, right? So again, that's what I did right there. And I have people who are test driving it right now, who are going through the 14-day trial right now. So I earn commissions from that, and then I have to see if they end up keeping their their system after that. And if they do, then again, every single month that they have it, I will receive at least about $20 or $21 or something like that every single month that they have it. Okay, and again, guys, I didn't have to know about Facebook ads. I didn't have to do any of that type of stuff. All I had to do was just make a post on my Facebook. That's it. Create like a post about curiosity and give people more information. So you may want to know how you can actually do this, because maybe you have been doing this on your Facebook, but you still haven't been able to get those type of results as you're seeing right here, right? So what I want to share with you all is a new product. It's called Profile Hustle. So with this product, he's going to share with you how you can leverage your Facebook profile in order to make sales and get leads for your business, right? So he's going to show you how to optimize your profile. I can't tell you how many times I go into somebody's Facebook profile and they either have their posts set to private, so you can't see what they're posting. They don't have a cover photo. They're posting, just crazy nonsense. They're not posting anything that will make them more attractive, that people will want to actually come spend money with them or anything like that, right? There's a way you have to set up your Facebook profile in order for this to work, okay? So he's going to show you how to do this, right? He's going to show you how to actually find that target audience of people. So if you're using your Facebook to make these type of posts and you're not generating leads and sales for your business, it's more than likely that you don't have the right audience of people. Maybe you have less than 1,000 friends on your Facebook, so a lot of people are not seeing your posts. Maybe your Facebook only really consists of family and friends, and a lot of your leads and sales are not going to come from your family and friends. You always need to be building out your audience. So he's going to show you how you can find those audience of people and an audience of buyers, people who are already willing to buy things online. He's going to show you how you can find those people and add them to your Facebook profile. He's also going to show you how to actually 10x your strategy, so that way your post goes viral and you can start getting more leads and sales, just like how I showed you with the ClickBank post and also the eBay post, right? So I made this post on December 31st. I made that post, and here we are on December 7th, and I already have a few other people who just left comments who want to get more information. Same thing happened here. I posted this on January 1. If we scroll down, I have people who just commented today and yesterday because they want more information, okay? So now we're going to start getting that post to go viral, right? And then he's also going to show you how you can actually create an income of $97 over and over again by leveraging the information that you're going to learn inside of here, and you can offer that information to others to help them with their Facebook profile, and you can actually earn a $97 commission from that every time you do that. Also, you're going to get 2 case studies. So the first case study is going to be from the creator of Profit Hustle. He's going to show you how he was able to create over $2,300 in one day with one Facebook post, okay? And then you're also going to get another case study from somebody else who generated an extra $1,500 in a single week simply by making a post on his Facebook profile, and you're going to get all that information here, guys, okay? So somewhere around this video, go ahead, click on that button, learn more about Profit Hustle, guys. And again, this is perfect for anybody who wants to step into affiliate marketing and things like that to grow their business. Again, guys, all I did was make a post and I earned commissions, okay? And again, where most people probably fall off with this or fail with this is that they don't have the right targeted people on there. And then also one thing too, you're promoting the same offer and over and over and over again. After a while, your audience and your friends list become fatigued with your offer because they've seen it over and over again. So what you can do is you can promote other products that will actually help people on your Facebook profile, because in most cases, people love the business that they're promoting. The last thing they want to do is just stop doing the current business that they're doing to move over to a new business to run into the same problem where they can't recruit people or get sales. But if you offer products to them that's going to help them to get results inside of their business, you can still get some buyers and you can still get leads and sales with that post, guys. Okay, so again, somewhere around this video, click on that button, learn more about Profit Hustle. It's only about 13 bucks, guys. That is a steal. That is a steal for the information that you're going to learn here. Okay, so go ahead, click around some of this button around this video, and I wish you success on creating sales with your Facebook profile, guys. So I'll see you on the next video.